know if you guys can see that completely. I'm gonna get a better angle so you can see all the beauty. Give me 1 second. Yes, I like that. It's like a Japanese or Chinese scripture in the middle. Wood, oh my goodness, look at that wood. I'm gonna take it out of the box so you guys can get a better view of all this beauty. All right guys, here we go. Y'all see scented wood. That wood looks really nice. I think that's maple, I'm not sure, but visually that is really dope. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pull the tab out so y'all can see the inside. Alright guys, so here we go. I'm going to show you the whole presentation. I took it out of the box so y'all can see all the beautiful fragrances and candles. Oh my god, I'm excited. And we got, I think it's some literature here. So we got literature, 5, 10 mil fragrances, all different fragrances. Look at the wood tops, man. Oh man, I know my camera ain't doing me justice. But these are some beautiful fragrances. And each candle to each fragrance, y'all. Come on, man. Y'all tell me y'all ain't excited about this. Every fragrance, every candle. And on top of that, I'll get one fragrance each month with a candle of my choosing. Or I think it's 16 or 12. I think it's 16 different fragrances coming out. I'm not actually sure. I know you can get one each month, or if you like any of these fragrances, you can just get the same fragrance each month if you want. So that's pretty cool. Sidebar, do me a favor. There you go. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that bell icon. I would truly appreciate it, y'all. Alright, that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing video. I'll show you guys a little bit more detail of the fragrances. I will do a first impressions video and also a review for each fragrance, and also the fragrances that are coming through the next year. Hopefully I can show y'all some beautiful fragrances. Maybe y'all can pick them up also. I'm not sure if the subscription is over, because I know he was only doing 2,000 subscriptions. So go check the website. I think there might be some left. If not, you can still, order the fragrances from them, I'm assuming. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Alright, I'll check you guys out later. Like I always say, it's okay if you want to smell like Rome. I'll check you guys out in the next video. So then,